What's up guys, you're watching Degreeless Engineering, a channel where we engineer using experience. This week we're talking about the Carhartt dash cover I just bought from Carhartt for my 1989 4Runner. It's pretty cool. Look at this. It's got a cute little Carhartt patch. So rugged. Yeah, it's custom fitted. Really nice stitching on the back, and I can get you guys a close-up of that. But overall, I'm really happy the way it looks. More importantly, we got to find out how it fits. So let's go install it. You guys get to come along with it. So we are in the truck. And as promised, I wanted to show you guys, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see this with the wide angle, but some of the stitching. Single stitch. The stitching around the edges is really consistent and nice. This is all handmade to order. It's kind of a look at the actual material. I thought it was going to be like a canvas type Carhartt jacket material, but it's not. It's more of a cloth with just this kind of like pattern on it. Well, it's a pattern kind of made into the cloth, but I think it looks nice. Got a little bit of a padding to it. I got the gray. They sell it in like the standard Carhartt tan and black, but I figured the gray would go better since the rest of my interior is gray anyways. And the Carhartt tans I think just a little too much. It stands out too much. But look, there's a little Carhartt patch. Everybody wants to wear a Carhartt until it's time to do Carhartt shit. Am I right? But here we go. Look, Velcro strips that you cut into little 1-inch increments or half-inch, however much you need. And then you just place it, you know, in certain spots on the dash where you have like sharp curves and stuff where it's gonna be bubbling out, I guess, to make sure it holds it down. But first I need to clean the dust and crud off of this dash. Surprising how dirty it gets and how quickly it gets dirty. But I'm going to clean that up, and then we're going to let that dry and work on sticking these little pieces of Velcro down. So this is the cover fitment before I tape it down, but just wanted to give you guys a closer look at the material, stitching, kind of the contour areas. I'm imagining I'm going to need quite a bit of Velcro on that little crevice, little pocket area to hold it shaped there. It's got the little openings for the vents, or defrost vent. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Let's get it stuck down. So I think what I'm going to do is just take the Velcro off the back of this, of course, but just kind of cut pieces to fit these little areas here where I feel like it needs to be held the tightest, and just kind of work across and down to the other side. So basically work from the middle out to make sure everything stays nice and tight. So that way it looks super bitchin'. I feel like this is going to be the center of attention, at least for me. So I'm going to start here. Does that make sense? Got my scissors. Oh yeah. This is going to suck. Nah, shouldn't be that bad. All right, let's take, I'm just gonna do a couple little pieces like that. A little sloop doop, stick it straight to the actual thing. And I'm just hoping this, whatever adhesive they have on this thing is good enough. Yeah, so like I said, I found this on a Facebook group. This is the first thing I've ever bought from Carhartt. They sell like Husky liners. Actually, this is the first thing I bought. My second thing the other day, I bought some fender flare mud flaps that I also saw on a Facebook group. Ooh, that's sticky, boy. How's that? Oh, that's perfect right there. Yeah, I think that'll work. So, the ordering portion of it went pretty smoothly. Their website's super up to date and easy to use. This is made to order. It's like a custom made thing. Being able to find something like this for this age of vehicle is pretty cool, in my opinion. I'm not saying it's rare, it's pretty cool. I like the fact that I was able to get something this kind of unique to cover the dash and protect what's left, but also the fact that it's Carhartt kind of makes it neat. So I am super appreciative of this being available for this vehicle. And I know a lot of other people will, like you guys, so I figured I'd show it. I actually talked to a guy on Facebook about this exact cover because he was looking for a carpet cover, and I told him about this one. I said I haven't installed it yet, but looks nice enough. Right, from here, and I mean, it is Velcro. I could always readjust it, I guess, right? It's not permanent. I do want to get it. Okay, son of a bitch. Get it close. Top. Probably gonna be. I don't have a whole lot of Velcro. I want to make sure I don't use up too much of it. Yeah, I was kind of surprised that it was being held on by Velcro. This is my first time ever doing a carpet or a dash cover like this personally. So I didn't really know what to expect. I kind of just figured it would be like heavy enough to hold itself on. But I'm sure this is more common than I think. So I'm just doing like 1-inch pieces. Probably gonna cut a few about that length. Get off. I will be putting a link to this on in my description below. If you guys want to pick one up for yourself. They also make it for like newer vehicles too, so it's not just old 4Runners. You can get it for up to however new your vehicle is. They sell seat covers to match, which I looked at, and maybe I'll get a pair for this summer because these vinyl seats, these leather seats tend to make your back sweat, and while I do have air conditioning, it's not the greatest. So that would be something really nice to have to keep the seats protected and also keep my back from sweating profusely. What else did they have? I think they had like a rear seat like storage pocket thing. I don't know how often I would use something like that, so can't really justify that as of right now. But it is an option. Oh my God. People drive like crazy nowadays, don't they? I am not affiliated with Carhartt or Carhartt in any way. I just thought this product was really cool, and I thought it would kind of give it that kind of off-road, woodsy kind of touch, because I love the outdoors. I love working with my hands, And Carhartt is kind of symbolic of that. Plus, you know, it makes it look better, right? This area right here is not my favorite. Like I said, I can kind of adjust it however which way. It's got kind of a weird cut here. It's probably not the best. I'm sure I could stretch it a little bit, but I'm trying to keep it as tight to the shape of this as much as possible so it looks like it's made for the vehicle. This side's kind of hanging over the vent a little bit. Could be a little bit thinner. I'd imagine they're just setting this up on a jig and cutting it, or having some sort of machine cut it out, and then they're just hand stitching the material together. The padding, the actual cloth, and the actual edge trim, whatever you want to call this. So I don't know where they got their template from, but yeah, you're gonna have to stretch it as you go down too. So from here, I think it's just important to make sure we put the Velcro where we think it's gonna need to be able to hold its shape. So I'm gonna pull this off and really just start sticking little pieces of Velcro, the hook portion of the Velcro, this stuff, where I think it should be now that I kind of have an idea of how sticky it is and how good it's gonna stick, which it sticks great, because I just yanked that right off and that tape's not coming anywhere. The Velcro could hold a little bit better in my opinion, but I think it'll do fine for what it is. It's not like it's a convertible and it's like, well, I guess it kind of is, but you know what I'm saying? It's not a ton of wind gonna whip this thing out of there. So we'll see. Let me get it put on the rest of the way. I'm gonna pull this off, get this tape on, and we'll get it all fitted on there. So what I will say is use this sparingly, because I'm on my last strip and I've used 2 strips just right in this area here. And I hope I've got enough. We're gonna find out. So far I've got Velcro here across the top, on these sides back here, one on tight back of the dash here, got one there, got one over there, and I'm probably gonna put one just kind of go down the back. If I can, I want to try to stick some way down in there to kind of hold it tight to the dash so it's not bubbled up here. But I think we're gonna be okay. I mean, there's a lot of big open space here. I think the biggest areas I need to focus on are just around this area here. So I've got 8 1-inch pieces, give or take, left. So Covercraft, give us one more strip. 3 8-inch strips of Velcro for this giant cover. Come on. I mean, yeah, it'll work, but how much does one more strip of Velcro really cost? We would greatly appreciate it. So make sure you keep track of the little clear plastic backing from the tape, because when we're done with this, we're gonna take it and we're gonna throw it in the ocean. I'm just kidding. We're gonna make sure this doesn't go blowing all over the yard. So here's the fit and finish. I think it looks pretty decent, especially where I was able to get more Velcro and get it to where it holds a lot tighter. And as you get this way, it looks progressively worse. One thing I'll point out is like these vent openings here kind of stick up. But I think if I spray it with some like de-wrinkle spray and wedge something heavy in there between the glass and the material, the fabric, overnight, it should hold that down. This pocket here, it needs more Velcro. They don't include near enough. So Covercraft, if you are watching, you need to start giving us some more Velcro with these, because it's not enough really for being able to hit these like sharp contours and stuff. You need like 2 full strips at least. You know, sure I could probably put something heavy in there, but as you can see, it's like pulling this up even further. So tonight I'm going to get something wedged in there and stick something heavy here, and hopefully that helps. But tomorrow I will be picking up some high strength Velcro from the hardware store, just to make sure I can put it in the places where it really needs it. Some here, maybe some on the back. Something to point out, yeah, you know, some might say put some more Velcro up there, but there's that trim around the edge goes in about a 1/2 inch on the bottom side, so you can really only do the Velcro starting right here. So if you imagine, if I put Velcro right there, it's still sticking up. So Velcro isn't really going to save you right there either. So I think if I get something wedged in there and then stick some weight down on top of that, and then, you know, hang a 5-pound weight off of it, it's just a lot you have to do to get the product to look the way it needs to look. So that's all I'll say, is they should be including more Velcro with this, but they don't. So if you buy it, make sure you get some more Velcro. So yeah, I like it. I'm sure other people have it and love it too. Obviously it's like a brand new piece of fabric. It needs to kind of stretch out. It needs to be, you know, kind of molded and shaped. But the big thing, like I said, get yourself some more Velcro because you're gonna need it. It wouldn't hurt. I'm sure some people will disagree with me, but I think it's, what is it, $3-4 for some more Velcro. And to get some 3M Velcro, that's gonna be quite a bit stronger. You know, what's it gonna hurt? The other thing is, yeah, it's kind of expensive for what it is, but it's Carhartt and it's super cute, you know. It's Carhartt and it's super cute. You know, little thing on it. But for something that's custom made for the 1989 4Runner, made to order, hand sewn, like, that's not that bad. When you buy it, it's going to take a few days. I think, what did it say, 10 days for them to make it, and then obviously like ship time. So just kind of expect 2 weeks from the day that you order it. You're going to get it in like 2 weeks. So if you're expecting it to come quickly, oh well, it's just not going to happen. Maybe you can find someone that has one secondhand, great, but you know, I bought mine new. It was like $89 from Carhartt, and I like it. But again, more Velcro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching.